It's always an impressive sight watching the police dogs work. Always a big asset. You know, if you're a bad man and there's a policeman with a police dog deploying, you're probably looking at a bit of a bad day ahead of you. And that police dog's dragging that bad man across the grass. That's how powerful they are.